better, eh?
Yeah.
So we're getting a big roll. There's sea on the side there. So we just put these stabilisers in and they're working a treat. Slowed us up a little bit. We've probably lost a knot, but that's all right. Like, see this swell coming here now. We're hardly rolling.
So how much better?
So as she lifts now, she's trying to lift that plate through the water.
Here we go.
Right. Try and lift that plate through the water, and it just slows us up. It takes that violent roll out of it.
Oh, that's so much better.
But it slowed us a bit, but anyway, that's all right. Comfort's more important at the moment.
Wow.
Welcome to Malindi K Expeditions. Subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share it with your mates. We would love to have you aboard as we restore Malindi K to her former glory and we take off on adventures of a lifetime. Okay, so this is our journey. We've just come up to this point here called Cape Manifold. We're trying to find out why Captain Cook named it that. We seem to come up with the goods as far as that information goes. We're going to turn the corner here very shortly, and our destination is, well, our next point is up here. Yeah, travel along alright, bit rolly today, but all otherwise going good.
Alrighty, so we're just steaming through past Port Clinton, which is just slightly back behind us, and this is called Entrance Island here. It's a pretty cool looking island. It's got a lot of pines and that sort of stuff on it, and that's, I think it's called Dulcium Island, off in the distance up in there. We're just coming through the inside here for a bit of scenery, heading north up towards the Duke Islands.
That tuna we got the other day, that long-tailed tuna, coming back from Muscle. This is it now. The girls have just made up a bit of a sauce. What's in that sauce, Mina?
Lemon juice, lime juice, chili, garlic, ginger, a little bit of olive oil and some soy sauce.
So that's the little marinade we've got going on there for some of the raw stuff. And then the rest of it, we threw in some garlic butter and quickly pan fried it.
It's so tender. It's amazing.
That sauce over this is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Let me demonstrate.
Oh, here we go.
It's
Okay, so we've just done a full day steaming. This is coming from south, and we've just arrived at the Duke Islands. We're hoping to stay here for a few days and do some exploring. This is Marble Island that we're currently going to tuck around the corner here and try and find a non-rolly anchorage for the night. Would be amazing that we can get a little bit of sleep, but they look really, really cool. Nice sunset there. Cannot wait to explore them. Pretty cool. Pretty different landscape, like green rolling hills in the middle of nowhere, and then jagged cliffs. It's awesome.
Alrighty, very good morning. Just wanted to show you where we've woken up this morning. We're at a secret spot. Fairly big day yesterday. We left the Keppels and steamed, I think, 10, 11 hours, something like that, and ended up at this stunning spot just on sunset last night, and it's beautiful, so just wanted to show you. Sun's just starting to come up out here to the east. Little bit of a bowling anchorage last night, not too bad. Wow, this is impressive. What do you reckon, mate?
Beautiful.
What do we got over there?
Deer! You can just see. Oh.
Not something? Right up. Still gone? No. Gone now.
It's all happening. We got deer, we got fish hookups. Alright, Amanda, hook in! Hold it straight up.
That's it. Geez, I like that red lure.
Oh, I told you.
Now here, listen to your reel. It's talking to you.
Is it?
It's saying. Listen to the No. When it's clicking, alright, it's taking line. Alright, so just be careful. Just stop. I'm going to back this off a little bit. Right, away go. You hear it clicking? That means you're not gaining line. So no, that's good. I've backed it off. I've backed the drag off because once he gets to the boat,
Fucking seaweed.
Seaweed, that doesn't count. Yeah, that doesn't count. That doesn't count.
Stop.
I get some more deer here. Anyway, there's stuff there. There's life around.
Yeah.
How'd you go? Did you catch that?
Good.
Too little.
Too little.
Next.
A bit of persistence. You poked him, man. Man is the poker. Oh, don't you let that go.
Get him in, holy.
Righto, go and get me another one.
Righto.
What's happening, boys?
Bit of hunter gathering. Desmond on line. He's got a trout. He's about to catch.
I've lost three.
Lost three. He's about to get another one. Brent, with assistance from men, had to be very persistent with this.
That's
little
a
sucker.
ripper.
So we're going to eat him.
Yeah, if it was up to me and Desmond, we would have given up on
He
him.
would have given up. Persistent.
But no,
He had to come.
yep, dinner. Good job.
Beautiful place, really. It is. It's the Duke Islands are amazing. A lot of roll comes around a lot of these anchorages. That's the issue. So much roll. So we're on our way around to another anchorage that isn't as picturesque, but it's not hasn't got the roll. This roll is driving us nuts. Just going past one of these little islands now, so really good. We've caught a few trout this morning, which is good.
Okay, so when we pulled in here last night, yesterday afternoon, we had this gorgeous little island just behind us, and it was so cute where called it Cuteness Island.
Cuteness Island. Nice.
Cuteness Island. And
No, we didn't. You did.
I did. I called it Cuteness Island. But it actually looks like it's got a little sister over here. I'm not sure if that's part of a big island.
Yeah.
But it's quite amazing, this little rock sort of formation. It's really white on this side and very cliffy and jagged. And the other side's all beautiful and lush and black. So Brent and Amanda called it Ebony and Ivory, which looks very appropriate for that island.
Beautiful. Alright, bit of an afternoon mission.
No, deer up on the top of that second hill over there. They're big as. See all those lumps? They're all deer. That's it. I just had a look at the
Righto, we've come into the beach to enjoy this sunset. It's amazing here, and of all of our catchings today, this is what's going to go on. Boys have got it under control, haven't you boys there?
Yep.
Under control?
It's very smoking. I'll tell you what, all that seaweed and stuff smokes. There might even be a bit of deer shit in there.
Do you think there's no fire ban? You're right, be careful.
See, we chose an area that is on the lee side of the island, so it flows towards the ocean, and all the grass is as green as anything.
It's beautiful.
Wow. It's going to be super duper.
Someone's not happy.
So this is cray. That's the head. We're going to eat some meat out of there. These are just that cray cut in half. And Des's coral trout. Have you prepared that there, Desmond?
All I did was crumb it today, but we'll get into eating a bit of raw fish straight on the grill. But today, this plate's a fraction hot, but anyway, we're onto it. We're turning them pretty quick.
Doesn't matter.
No.
Well, on the high seas. And while those guys are working out, I'm trying to get some internet to do some work, but struggling big time. Probably because of this big hill right here. I think it's blocking off our internet connection. And then downstairs here, I think we'll find Des down in the engine room checking the oils with his darling, the Gardner engine. Floor is so wet from salt. Feels revolting to walk on. And yep, there he is.
What?
Putting oils, checking the engine, filling the oil up, topping it all up.
Getting ready for the day.
Getting ready for the day. That's it.
So apparently we're coming into another secluded anchorage. Don't know what it's called, don't know how deep it is, but we'll see.
Well, it's very deep.
Very deep.
Very deep. Like we're nearly there and I've still got 20 metres.
Sorry about the wind.
Give a dull. What's the goal? No roll.
Okay, I'm going to try and get the first fish.
Hey?
Oh, that breeze is great.
You want me to...
Anywhere here, eh? I probably should drop.
Geez, these rocks are very pointy. You wouldn't want to run over one.
You're kidding. He wins.
Little parrot.
Oh, you found it. That's how thick they are.
Straight away.
Oh, you're pulling it too hard, I reckon.
I can pull it, but see,
The
see
hooks.
That, see that deep water on the other side of that cave?
Yeah.
That's what I was frightened of. He hit me there and he was going to take me down under.
Ah, okay. Wow.
There we go. Fucking hell.
You lost him again. Is he? We need Brent, do we?
Mother-in-law fish. They call them mother-in-law fish, but they're mowong or blubber lip. But everyone reckons they're no good, but they are brilliant. Once you skin them, they're beautiful. See the size of his lips?
Oh, has he got teeth?
No,
No teeth.
he's a big fillet on him.
Huge.
That's the first fish you've speared. That's the first fish you've speared.
Second.
Second, which is the first one?
That's a good Chinaman. I've only shot shit so far. They're spearing the cheating way.
Having a toe.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to lay, to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again, and as I fall I can feel the pain.
We hope you're enjoying our restorations and adventures aboard Malindi K. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment or share it with your mates. It's a free way to help support Malindi K Expeditions. Chuck in some fuel money and become a Patreon. You'll find the link in our description. We truly appreciate your support and connecting with like-minded people. Cheers, and remember, the sea is always calling.